Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the ability of Black Cat Pet in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Halloween event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. So I have already joined Grow a Garden a game and I just got the Black Cat Pet from hatching the spooky egg. And I'm going to show you the possibility to get this pet guys. You will have 8.5% possibility to get this pet from hatching the spooky egg. And finally I could get this pet, and this is the ability of this pet. Basically the black cat can help you to make your fruits larger, but you need to have Witch Cauldron on your garden, and you can get the Witch Cauldron from the crate, okay, the pumpkin crate. And I have this Witch Cauldron guys. I have just opened my pumpkin crate and then I got this cauldron, and then the black cat pet will nap nearby the cauldron and make your fruit larger. Okay, let me show you again. Okay, so if you want to make your fruit larger, I recommend you to stack the black cat on your garden, and of course you need to have a lot of cauldron or witch cauldrons on your garden. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use the black cat pad in Grow a Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.